up guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for tuning in. So this video I'm going to show you how I achieved the sleek ponytail that you seen me and Deja wearing. So I'm gonna start out on freshly washed natural hair. So the hair I'm gonna be using is this bundle here. Actually it's like 1.5 bundles, and the hair is by Beauty Forever. It's their 20-inch Brazilian straight, and I know y'all like, girl, what you about to do with that? So I made a wig with this hair earlier this month. I'm all about reusing hair, especially if it's some real good hair. I have worked with them at least 3 times, and all of their hair has been absolutely bomb. No lie, absolutely bomb. I haven't washed or anything. Like I said, I just took the tracks off of the wig cap and that's it. I haven't even combed it. I haven't even combed it out, but look at that. I did cut the hair, so it's about 12 tracks just cut up, but we gonna make it work. We gonna make it work. So of course you're gonna need a brush, a comb, and I'm using Gorilla Snot. That's what I used, and I absolutely love it. It's just messy as heck, but it gets the hair really sleek and flat. My hair anyway. Gel would not do it. Like if I was to use like Eco Styler gel, as soon as I get it in a ponytail, it'll be, you know, lifting up or whatever. But this, you can use bobby pins if you want to. I'm not using bobby pins. I might use 1 bobby pin. I hate bobby pins, so yeah. I was gonna do a middle part, but I changed my mind. It makes me look older than what I am. So we gonna switch it on up and do that side part how y'all originally seen it. So I'm just about to take a piece of the hair. So I'm gonna just take the end of this hair and wrap it around my hair to secure it. So I'm gonna just take this and then just wrap it around. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take the ponytail and just wrap, trying to stay as close as I can to the back of my head. And then once I get to the end, I'm gonna take this and then just wrap. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I know y'all see all these crinkles everywhere, and then I got this long straight hair in. That's not making a cut. That's not making a cut. And I knew it was gonna be like that, but I mean, it's honestly, it's fine to me. I will wear it like this. I will go out like this. What I'm gonna do is give it a little homemade wave. So I'm just about to braid up this hair, and then I'm going to apply a flat iron to it. That's what the Caucasian people do. They will braid their hair and then they would take a flat iron to get the hair that beachy wave. So that's what I'm about to do. But yeah, I think it's nice and sleek, right? And I didn't have to tie down my hair at all. Now, people with different textures might have to do more to their hair, like tie their hair down, apply more gel, Okay, so I got them all braided. So now I'm gonna take my flat iron and it's on 455 degrees. And I'm gonna just run it down the braid. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. All right, so I let them cool down a couple minutes. So let's take them down and see what we got. See if we got some crinkles to match my crinkles. Oh girl, we got some crinkles. Look at that. Cool. All right, let me take down the rest of these. But okay, so look at it, nice and crinkly. Like, look at the shine in this hair. I haven't put any product on this hair. So yeah, it's matching a lot better. Let me show y'all the back, because I don't think I showed y'all the back. And what I did right here, I took a piece of hair from underneath and I just wrapped it around the track so you wouldn't be able to see the track. Hopefully y'all can't see the track. So yeah, I have no bobby pins in my head whatsoever. And it feels secure. This is how I always do my ponytails, and none of my ponytails have ever came out before. Now, if you're a fighter and you know you're going to be getting into a fight, or it might be a possibility that you may get into a fight, I wouldn't suggest doing it this way. If you get into a fight, I don't even think the bobby pins go save your ponytail. The hair is nice and laid. My hair and this hair has its own little natural shine going on because all I did was wash my hair. I ain't put any product in either one of these hairs. I hope you guys learned a little something. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.